Hi all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, let's see how to solve question number 4 and 5 of exercise 5.2. Okay, question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Okay, so in this one, we have given the AP series and we'll have to find which term is actually 78. The value is 78. So like, for example, if the 78 is the 5th term or the 10th term or the 20th term like that. Okay, now let's first write what is given. So 3, 8, 13, 18, and so on. Okay. So some value in this one is actually 78. We'll have to find which term is 78. So given is equal to A is equal to 3. Okay. So we can use AN. AN is equal to 78. Okay. So one of the values is actually 78. Now the formula for AN, that is a general term will be A plus N minus 1 into T, which is equal to 78. So in this one, we'll have to find what is N. Okay. So A we know, D we'll have to find. So D is equal to second term minus the first term, which is equal to A minus 3. We can actually find third term minus second term or fourth term minus third term. All the answers will be the same. So D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So now let's substitute the values here. So A is equal to 3 plus N we will have to find, and D value is equal to 5, which is equal to 78. Let's solve this one. So 3 plus 5 into N will become 5N. Okay. 5 into minus 1 will become minus 5. It's equal to 78. So 3 minus 5, that will become minus 2. So minus 2 plus 5N is equal to 78. So 5N is equal to, taking 2 to the other side, that will become plus 2. So 78 plus 2 will become 80. So N is equal to 80 over 5, which is equal to 80 divided by 5. So 1, then 3 will become 16. So N value is equal to 16. So the 16th term of this given series, the value will be 78. So the 16th term is 78. The value of N here is 16. Or we should say like the 16th term of the series is 78. Okay. Easy. Now next question. Question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. Okay, here we'll have to find the number of terms. So the two questions which are given is a finite series. That is, they have given you the last term basically. So we'll have to find the total number of terms in the series. Okay. So question number 5. Question number 5, the first subdivision. So first subdivision is 7, 13, 19, and so on. They've given you the last term as 205. We'll have to find the total number of terms. So here, let's write what is given. So A is given as 7. Okay, D we can actually find 13 minus second term minus the first term. D, which is actually equal to 13 minus 7 will become 6. So D and A we know now. And we have given AN. So AN is equal to 205. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to 205. So A is equal to 7. A is equal to 7. So 7 plus N minus 1 into D is actually 6, which is equal to 205. Okay. See, this is the last term. 205 is the last term. Okay. And if you know if you can find what is the N value here, so the meaning will be so many terms are there in the series. Fine. So that's the reason why we are choosing 205 to find how many number of terms are there in the series. Okay. So now 7 plus 6 into n will become 6n minus 6. That is 6 into n, 6n. Then 6 into minus 1 minus 6, which is equal to 205. So 7 minus 6 will become 1. So 6n plus 1 is equal to 205. So 6n is equal to 205 minus 1. That will become 204. So n is equal to 204 over 6, which is equal to, so 20 over 4 over 6, which is equal to 20. That will become 3, 18, then 2, then that will become 424. Okay, so n value is equal to 30. That is 205. That is A 34 is equal to 205. The value in my 34th term is 205. But then 205 is the last term if you notice. So this is a finite series, okay? This is the last term, which means this whole series will have 34 terms. Okay, so the number of terms is equal to 34. That's the question. So the question is, we'll have to find the number of terms. So the number of terms in the series will be 34. Okay, easy now. Now moving on to second question of question 5. So the second question is 18, 15, 1 by 2, 13. And the last term is minus 47. So in the same way, we'll have to do the second question also. So question 2. In question 2, we have 18, 15, 1 over 2, then 13. And the last number is minus 47. So we'll write what is A. A is equal to 18. What is D is equal to second term minus 47. So 15 over 2 minus 18. Solve this one. So 15 into 2 into 15, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So 31 over 2, which is minus 18. Take LCM to solve this one. So 2, then 31 minus 18 into 2, that will become 36. Okay, so 31 minus 36, that will become minus 5 over 2. So here D value is minus 5 over 2. We know D value is minus 5 over 2 and A value is 18. Okay. Now we are going to use this last term to find the number of terms in the series. So here AN is equal to minus 47. Okay. So A plus N minus 1 into D is equal to minus 47. Value of A is 18. So 18 plus we'll have to find what is N minus 1 into D value will be 5 over 2. No, I think negative 5 over 2. Yeah. So negative 5 over 2, which is equal to negative 47. Now let's solve this one now. So now we can do like, we can take 18 to the other side also. Okay. So we will do that one. So 8 n minus 1 into minus 5 over 2, which is equal to minus 47 minus 18. So now let's remove the bracket. So we'll do the distributive property. N into minus 5 over 2, that will become minus 5n by 2. Then minus 1 into minus 5, that will become positive 5 over 2, which is equal to, so minus 47 and minus 18. So minus 47 and minus 18, when you add them together, it will become negative 65. So minus 5n by 2, which is equal to minus 65 minus 5 over 2. Let's take LCM to solve. So minus 5n by 2, which is equal to 2. So this will become 65 into 2, that will become 65 into 2, 10 carry 1, 12, 130. So minus 130, then minus 5, minus 5n over 2, which is equal to minus 135 over 2. So if you cross multiply, 2 will get cancelled. Then that will become negative, negative also we can cancel. So that will become 5n, which is equal to 135. So n is equal to 135 by 2, 135 by 5. So value of n is equal to, when you divide 135 by 5, the answer we will get as 2s are 10, then carry 3, then that will become 27. So value of n is 27. So the last term, that is the 27th term, is minus 47. So there are 27 terms in this given series. So the value of n will be 20. So that is, there are 27 terms in this series and the value of 27th term is negative 47. So we have used this information to get the answer. Fine. Hope it's clear. Okay. Okay. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Meet you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.